We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French surgeon, as well as how to say more historic names from science. He was a French anatomist and military surgeon under Napoleon. How do you go about pronouncing his name? In French it is said as Guillaume Dupuytren. Guillaume Dupuytren, but it'd be fine in English to say it as Guillaume Dupuytren. Guillaume Dupuytren. From French, Guillaume Dupuytren. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names from science and history whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.